Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can probably tell from the title, I am taking you guys to a Sumi music festival today. We're on our way. I'm with my friend Tokli, and I'm very happy to take you guys along with me. Stay tuned, guys. We just reached here and we will be going inside. 가. Wow, I'm a bit nervous, but I'm so glad I'm here. Wow, the lights look so good from here. And I'm here with the beauties. Wonder. Bugün alışımla vallahi. Hi guys. We were told to go to the backstage, so we're heading there right now. I'm with Mika Totoman, his brother, and Vinika, and also my best friend Tokli. I'll get back to you guys after we reach there. It's already started. Pastor is saying an invocation, and after that it will start off. This is how it looks. Wow. My girl's looking so gorgeous. So guys, this is the backstage. We're here right now. I'll be performing in a bit, so guys, please wish me luck.
She has just released her song, Kesine Ilova Domi Irelo, just yesterday in YouTube. You can all search there. Let's give a huge round of applause for our Kinimi. Thank you very much. You can have your stage.
Hold you for a million years to make you feel my love. I know you haven't made your mind up yet. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hi.
Hey guys, I just performed and now my friend Tokli is performing, and I'll be sitting with Mr. Smile, Miss Sumi Hikali, and all. So guys, please meet them. That's my friend Tokli up to me. Wow. Hey guys, look who I'm here with.
Hi everyone, this is AK Mr. Smile. Guys, do support this beautiful lady. Okay, show your love and support towards her, and keep smiling.
Hey, hello, man. So Vinny is going to perform now. All the best, Vinny. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I'm gonna die. You'll not die. You'll do well.
Guinée, qui est à voir, à automne, je l'ai dit, quoi, Guinée, puis business, projet business, je suis allé jouer.
Ang ganda ng photography! And we're gonna take photo together. I'm so happy. Oh my god, but I look so ugly here. Thank you so much, Amber.
Everybody sing.
It's over and people are leaving. We're still here. Hi, Lanu.
Hi.
And that's it, guys. We have come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
1, 2.